Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I'm going to head into Dollar General to do a little grocery shopping. You guys know I don't coupon a lot for groceries, but we're going to give it a try. So let's see what they have. All you're going to need is your DG app and your phone to take some screenshots and pencil and paper to take some notes. So let's head on in and let's see what we're able to get. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car. I couldn't film in the store. I just had to hurry up and grab everything and then come to the car, sit down and talk about everything because I'm just not doing too well today with my fibromyalgia and things, but I wanted to at least get this video out to you guys. So that's why everything is just like piled on my seat. So let's get started and let me show you guys what exactly I did. I know you guys see the gain over there. We're not going to go over that. That is the gain deal on a video that I posted on Sunday. So if you guys want to know about the gain, I will post the link to the gain deal so you can go back and watch it. But let's talk about what I did today. So I wanted to do some food deals because I did some food deals last week and you guys seemed to enjoy that video. So I said, well, let me give them some more food deals for this week. So one thing that I do want you guys to be mindful of, though, when you are getting food from whether it's Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, please make sure you guys are checking the expiration dates on the food. And I know that a lot of those dates are the date is the best by date or the date that they have to have it off of the shelf. But I personally, if I want to buy food from the grocery store, I want it to have, or from a store, I want it to have a good date on it. You know, if it was in my cabinet, then that's different. But I want to show you guys, I was going to get some rice-a-roni. And they had a couple different kinds of rice-a-roni. They had the rice-a-roni with cheese. They had the pasta rice-a-roni. And they had the chicken flavor rice-a-roni. Well, I wanted to get the chicken flavor rice-a-roni. I never had that rice-a-roni with cheese or the pasta rice-a-roni. I specifically went there for the chicken rice-a-roni. And let me show you guys what happened. Look, this was on the shelf. All of these packs of rice-a-roni in this basket are expired. It's like 20 of them. And I just put them on the basket to take them to the manager so that she could get them off of the floor, because I didn't want anyone buying expired rice-a-roni. And then look, the other ones were from February. So these boxes of rice-a-roni expired in January and February. So I just took them to her to get them off the floor. But if you buy rice-a-roni, or you get some other rice-a-roni, if you buy the chicken rice-a-roni and you don't care that it's expired, or maybe yours won't be expired, or if you buy the other kind of rice-a-roni, you want to grab 2 of them, and they are $1.40 a box. And the reason why you want to grab 2 is because we have this digital coupon that gives you $1 off when you buy 2. So if you grab 2, they're $1.40 a box. That's going to come to $2.80. You use this dollar off coupon. That means you're going to pay $1.80 for 2 boxes of rice-a-roni. So you don't see rice-a-roni there because I didn't get it. The next deal that I did is on the Hellmann's mayonnaise. And the one that I was looking for was the small squeeze jar mayonnaise, which is, I believe it's like $3.75, I believe. Well, my store didn't have that, so I had to get the small jar, and the small jar was $4.25. there is a $3 digital coupon, and I forgot to screenshot it, so I can't show it to you guys. But there's a $3 digital coupon, so that attaches, and that will come down to just $1.25 for a jar of mayonnaise. And yes, I did check that expiration date. That is good. So the next deal that I did was on the Betty Crocker cake mix. Now, guys, I need you to be careful with this Betty Crocker cake mix because they have all different flavors. But the only flavor that actually attaches to the coupon that we're going to use is the yellow cake mix. The chocolate, the white, the kind with the different sprinkles in it, none of those work, okay? Only this that I'm showing you, the yellow cake mix. And they are $1.75 a box. You want to grab 2 of them. And when you grab 2, you're going to use this digital coupon, which gives you $1 off 2. But there's also a store sale on those. There's a deal when you buy 2 of them. Hold on. Of course, my phone is blurry again. Instead of them being $1.75 a piece, they are 2 for $3. So they'll be $3. Then you use your $1 digital coupon. That will bring them down to just $2 or $1 a box. So that's like saving 75 cents on each one. Now, my favorite deal is what I saved for last, and that is the deal with the Pepsi and the Lay's. Now, last week when I did this deal, I did it with, I believe it was iced tea and the Lay's. So you want to go into your Dollar General app and you want to clip this $3 off coupon. It is save $3 off when you buy any one Pepsi product and then any one Frito-Lay product. This coupon keeps coming back over and over again. So every time it comes back, I'm going to use it. And I'm going to stock up on Pepsis and things. I personally don't drink Pepsis, but I have customers who buy them, and then I save them for parties and cookouts and barbecues, and all of that's coming up. So you want to grab 2 Pepsi products, and you want to grab the 2-liter Pepsis because they are $2.75. Now, I know the coupon says you only need to grab 1, but you need to grab 2 because this week, even though they're $2.75, they are on sale. Buy 1, get 1 free. So you can buy 1 Pepsi product or a Mountain Dew product. So you can get 2 Pepsis, 2 Mountain Dews, a Pepsi and a Mountain Dew, however you want to do it. So grab 2 of those Pepsi products, and then you have to grab a Frito-Lay product. Now, there's a couple different products that you can get. Some people are grabbing the Munchies because that is the cheapest product. I think that is like $2.75 or something. Well, I'm not grabbing those Munchies and paying for that because that'd be a waste of my money. I'm not going to eat them. So I went the more expensive way, but I went to get something that I'm going to eat, so I'm not wasting my money. Guys, don't just buy something because it's a good deal or because you have a coupon for it unless you're going to donate it or something. I know I'm not donating those Munchies, so I just went and got the Lay's. So these bags of Lay's, which are the 8-ounce Lay's, they're 2 for $6, or they're if you buy just 1, they're $4.25. Okay, and I'm absolutely fine with that. So I purchased those 2, and then I got the 1 Pepsi free because it was buy 1 get 1 free. But then I got $3 off the Lay's and the Pepsi. So I think that's a pretty good deal because if you do that all by itself, you would pay $4.25 for the chips and $2.75 for the Pepsi, which would come to $7. Then you would get the $3 off for the coupon. So that would be $4 for 2 things of Pepsi and a thing of Lay's. Excellent, excellent deal. So guys, that is my haul. And here, let me show you guys my receipt. There's my Lay's for $4.25. Store discount of $2.26. That's the $3 coupon that comes off. The Betty Crocker cake mix for $3.50. Then the 50-cent store discount because they were 2 for $3. The dollar digital coupon that come off. The Hellmann's mayonnaise for $4.25. The $3 digital coupon came off of that. There's my 2 Pepsis for $5.50. The store discount, which is $3.49, which includes the rest of the store discount from up here to add up to $3 plus the $2.75 for the 1 Pepsi being free. So my subtotal was $7.25. You guys know we don't discuss tax because it's different in every city, state, and borough. So I think this is a pretty good deal, $7.25 for everything that I got. So guys, that's the deal. I hope you're able to go out and do some of these deals. Just, you know, a little like grocery shopping at Dollar General. Come back. Let me know what you were able to get. Let me know about the rice-a-roni, if yours was expired or not. Until the next time, keep on saving.